Good morning, children and parents. This lesson is of class lower kindergarten for the subject of general awareness dated 21st December 2020. The voice is of Harminder Kaur. Parents, help your child to open page number 45. And in this lesson, we will learn about the names of the birds, concepts related to natural environment, and identify the birds that cannot fly very high. Crow. Crows are large birds with shiny black feathers. They live together in large families. Crows are found all over the world. Crows can walk, hop, and can even fly up to 30 to 60 miles per hour. Peacock. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. It is our national bird. Peacock cannot fly but can cover up to the lowest branch of the tree. Only the male peacocks have beautiful and colorful tails. The female variety is called a peahen. Parrot. Parrot. Parrots are very intelligent bird. It likes to eat red chilies and guavas. The best part about parrot is that they can mimic any sound. Parrots can fly 20 to 30 miles per hour. Penguin. Penguins are flightless sea birds that cannot fly. Their stiff flippers, webbed feet, and sleek shape make them expert swimmers. They spend most of their lives in the oceans. They feed on krill, fish. Ostrich. Ostrich are large, flightless birds. They have long legs and a long neck. The ostrich is the only bird that has two toes on each foot. An ostrich egg equals around 24 chicken eggs. Children, now circle peacock, penguin, and ostrich as they cannot fly high in the sky. In the second part, we will fill in the missing letters to name the animals that live only in water. First, we will read their names. Fish. 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 Dolphin. 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 Octopus. 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 Whale. 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 Children, now fill in the missing letters to name these animals that live only in water. The first picture is of fish. Write I. FISH. Fish. The next picture is of dolphin. Write O and I. DOLPHIN. Dolphin. The third picture is of whale. So children, write H. WHALE. Whale. The last picture is of octopus. Let us write O and U. OCTOPUS. Octopus. Thank you, children. See you next week.